Hello, my dear students. In our last live class of financial markets and institutions, we have learned about financial system, right? So, financial system as a combination of four components such as financial institutions, financial instruments, financial services, and financial markets. Money markets are one among the financial markets. So now we are going to learn about what is money market. Money market deals with short-term funds, generally for a period of less than or equal to 365 days. And it involves the purchase and sale of short-term debt, treasury bills, etc. And you should note that it possesses high safety and liquidity. Here are some features of money market. It deals with short-term funds and a maturity period up to 1 year, and it is easily convertible into cash, and the transaction cost is very minimal. And also the transactions are taken place through phone, etc., which means the transaction is very easy and we doesn't need a help of brokers. The components of money market are central bank, commercial banks, non-banking financial companies, discount houses, and acceptance houses. And you should note that commercial banks play a very dominant role in money market. Here are some features of developed money market. You should note that these are the features of money market and these are the features of a developed money market. It has a well-organized banking system with the existence of a central bank, and the availability of proper credit instruments are there, and proper coordination of different sectors, lack of diversity in money rates of interest, presence of bill market, sufficient resources, existence of secondary market, ample supply of funds are the features of developed money market. And here comes the functions of developed money market. First thing is that it helps to increase the profit of financial institutions, and also it provides high liquidity, and it helps to avoid wide seasonal fluctuations in the interest rate. And you should understand one thing, that quick transfer of fund is possible through a developed money market, and it provides various kinds of credit instruments suitable and attractive for different sessions. A money market augments the supply of fund, which means it ensures money market ensures supply of fund and market. And a well organized money market is very essential for the successful operation of the central bank policies, and it controls inflation and helps to generate employment, also helps in capital formation. I have already explained what is capital formation in our previous class, so please go through that. And it meets short-term fund needs, as we know that it deals with short-term fund. It also provides the various short-term funds, and it provides fund to government also. And moving to the next one. Here are the components of Indian money market. Indian money market has three components: organized money market, unorganized money market, and sub-markets. Structure of Indian money market is mainly divided into organized money market and unorganized money market. Organized money market comprise Reserve Bank of India, scheduled commercial banks, lenders, development banks, investment institutions, RRB, foreign banks, state financial corporations, DFHI. And unorganized money market deals with indigenous bankers, domestic money, nidis, chit funds, traders and friends, brokers and dealers. Among this unorganized money market components, you should learn what is indigenous bankers and money lenders. And the combination, sorry, and the comparison between organized money market and unorganized money market point out that organized money market is very well organized and controlled by the government. There are some regulations which should be followed by organized money market. You know that there are some organizations to deal with it, safety, etc. And unorganized money market, as from the name itself, you can understand that there is no organization, which means there is no particular rules and regulation for dealing unorganized money market. And sub-market is the combination of call money market, bill market, 364-day bill market, CDs, CPs, etc. And bill market is again divided into commercial bills and treasury bills. Indigenous bankers. Indigenous bankers operate as banks, which means that they receive, deposit, and give loans. Money lenders. They only lend money at a higher rate, but they doesn't receive any deposit. This is the difference between indigenous bankers and money lenders. Indigenous bankers both receive and give money, but money lenders only lends the money. And organized banking sector. Indian banking sector has two parts such as organized sector and the other one is unorganized sector. The organized sector consists of RBI, commercial banks, cooperative banks, specialized financial institutions, etc. So here are some of the institutions which are organized. So please go through that. And about unorganized sector we will deal in next class. So in this class we have learned about what is money market, what are its features, functions, and what are the components of Indian money market. So now that's all. Thank you my dear students.